Dear friend, in this lesson we are going to talk about front-end estimation. Front-end estimation, it's used in situations where you don't need an exact number. We write the digit in the largest place value. I will write the digit in its largest place value. Then we put zeros on the rest of the places. Like 78,920,416. Here I'm going to use the first place value, which is 7, the greatest place value, and then all the rest of the number is zeros. All my rest of the number is zeros. Page 39. Here, my question, choose the better front-end estimation. I have here 19,780,506. I will pick the biggest place value, which is 1. It will be 10 million. 825,619. My first place value and biggest place value, 800,000. 825,619. I will pick 800,000. Here, this is the 2 million, my biggest place value, and the rest zeros. Use front-end estimation for the following number. I have here 78 million. I will write 7 and the rest of the numbers zeros. Here 3 and the rest of the numbers also 3 million will be zeros. 75,622,413. Here my biggest number 70 million. Number D, the biggest number 50 million, so I will pick the biggest place value, which is 50 million. 800,000, the biggest place value, the biggest number here, I will pick 800,000. Next. We're going to talk about rounding. Rounding, I have 2 strategies for the rounding. Midpoint rounding strategy and rounding rule strategy. Round to the nearest thousand. We draw number line and specify the midpoint value on it. If the number is in the middle or closer or greatest number, then we write the greatest number. If the number is before the middle, then we write the smallest. Here, I have this example, 6,700. I draw the number line, 6,000 down and 7,000 up. The greater from 7,000 up or 6,000 down. And in the midpoint, I will write 6,500. 6,700 is located between these 2 numbers, 6,500 and 7,000. So it will refer to the bigger number, which is 7,000. Rounding rule strategy. Here I have the song, circle the digit, look next door, 5 or higher, add 1 more, 4 or less, let it rest. It's very easy. Round to the nearest million. I will circle the million and hide. Look next door. I will look at the 5. 5 is a strong number. I have a strong number, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And weak numbers, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here 5 is a strong number. It will push this 2 to be 3 million. Here's 2 is a weak number. It wouldn't push the 6 to be, so the 6 will still the same, 6 million. Next, I have this strategy midpoint, 16,401. I will write 17,000 up, 16,000 down, 16,500 the midpoint. Here, this number is located between 16,000 and 16,500, so it will refer to 16,000 because it's located in its area. Here I have 9,340. It's located between 10,000 and 9,500 here. This number is located 9,340. It's between 9,000 and 9,500, so it will refer to the 9,000. Next, 250,000, 300 up, 200 down, 250 in the middle. When it was in the middle, it will refer to the 300,000. Here I have 7,500. I will draw here 800,000, and here 700,000. In the middle, 750,000. This number is located here after 7,500. So it will refer to the smaller, which is the 700,000. Next question. Using rounding to the nearest thousand. Here, where is my thousand chair? It's 4. Underline and slide and look next door. 4 is a weak number. It will not affect this number to be 4 the same. Thousand chair, look, underline and slide. 5, it's small. It's a strong number. It will push the 7 to be 8,000. He wants here 10,000. Where is the place of the 10,000? It's 9. Underline and slide. Look at the next. This 0, it will be here 10,000. Underline and slide. 0 will not affect the 9, so it will be the same. After the approximation number, I have to leave other number zeros. 7 million. Here, where's my 10,000? Here, 2. I will look at 6. 6 will affect the 2. Will push the 2? Yes. It will be 7 million. 4, 3, 5, 0, 3. All the numbers after the approximated number will be zeros. Here, round the numbers to the nearest million using rounding rule. Million. Where's my million? Here it's 5. 3 will not push the 5, so it will be 5 million. This one, nearest million. Where's my million? Here, 3. 0 will not affect this number. It will be the same number. So I will leave all the numbers zeros. Round the numbers to the nearest milliard, which is 5. 2 will not affect the 5 because it's a weak number, so it will be the same. Here, 9 will push the 2 to be 3 milliard.